Discover 50-plus acres in Virginia featuring fenced pastures, a stocked pond, apple orchard, saltwater pool, post and beam barn, and a handcrafted custom home built for scenic country living. This property combines usable farmland, outdoor recreation, and energy-efficient luxury in one exceptional setting. out outdoor features, bringing both beauty and recreational value to the property. Nearby, an established apple orchard adds character and seasonal enjoyment while enhancing the mini farm appeal. Additional agricultural improvements include a post and beam barn, chicken coops, turkey coops, and 9 water hydrants positioned across the acreage. These features create strong functionality for daily farm operations and flexible land use. Outdoor living is elevated with an in-ground saltwater pool added in 2020, offering a private retreat surrounded by open views. TimberTech decking and a screened porch provide more places to relax, entertain, or enjoy the surrounding landscape in every season. The custom handcrafted home offers 4,752 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Inside, the main level features an open floor plan, anchored by a vaulted great room with a stone fireplace. Large living spaces connect naturally to the kitchen with bar seating, creating an inviting layout for gatherings. Efficiency is a major advantage of this home, with 17 solar panels, solar thermal radiant heat, HVAC, radiant floor heating, and a 16 kW standby generator. These systems provide comfort, reliability, and long-term energy support. Storage and workspace are equally impressive, with a 2-car attached garage plus a 2-story detached 4-car garage featuring an upper workshop area. This Virginia property combines 50-plus acres, fenced pasture, pond, orchard, pool, barns, and a custom energy-efficient residence into one complete package, ready for country living, farming, or private retreat use.